Okay, the last question of the paper, question 28 on the vectors. In the diagram, OA is 2A and OB is a B. M is the midpoint of AB. Alright, we need to find OM in terms of A and B. So let's first find the vector OM on the diagram. So if we draw a vector from O to M, right, it will be here. Now to find the vector OM, we can find either through A, going from O to A and then from A to M, or we can go from O to B and from B to M. It doesn't matter which way you go, you will have the same answer. For example, we will go through A, so we will write our path as OM will be OA plus AM, right? So AM is half of AB. Now we need to find, we need to find the vector AB, which will allow us to find the vector AM, and then we'll substitute everything into the first expression and we'll find the entire OM, okay? So, but AB, right, is easy to find. To move from A to B, you're moving from A to O and from O to B, right? So from A to O and from O to B. Moving from A to O means to move opposite to OA, which is to A, so we're going to have minus 2A, right? And then to move from O to B means to have plus B. Okay, and then that was our AB, but half of AB, okay, AM means will be half of minus 2A plus B, and let's open the brackets. We'll get half times minus 2A will be minus B plus 0.5, oh sorry, it has to be A, sorry, minus A plus half B. Alright, so now we need to go back to OM. Alright, OA was 2A plus AM, which was minus A plus half of B. Now we need to open the brackets and collect like terms. 2A minus A was A plus half of B. Alright, and we need to write the vectors on top everywhere. Okay. So this question done. We found OM. Now we need to do the second part. X is a point on AB such that AX to XB is 1 to 3. Find OX in terms of A and B. So the point X splits the AB into two parts which are not equal. One part is equal to 1 unit and the other part is 3 units. So we actually have 4 parts. So therefore AX will be here 1/4 of AB, right? And XB will be 3/4 of AB. So X somewhere, so you see from A to X, it's somewhere here. If M is halfway through, so AX will be half between A and M. We need to find OX. OX, right? OX here. Oh, you can't see it. So let me move the page. So that means X is in between AM, because AX is 1/4 of AB and AM is half of AB, and we need to find OX. if obviously it's easy, like we don't need to waste our time for looking for harder solutions. So right, we already have found AM, and AX is half of AM. We definitely are going to use our previous results, and we will find OX as OA plus AX. Alright, so let's write it down. So we have OX is equal to OA plus AX. Right? AX is a problem. OX is half of AM. But AM, we have found it, is minus A plus 0.5B. Let's open the brackets. We'll get minus half of A, and which is half of a half is 0.25 of B, right? So that is our AX. So let's go back to OX. OX is OA, which is 2A, minus 0.5A plus 0.25B, right? All those are vectors. So which is 2A minus half of A will be 1.5A plus 0.25B. You can write it as a decimal in your answer, or it can be as a fraction, so then it would be 3 over 2A plus quarter of B, or you can write it with decimals. I will write it as a decimal, it doesn't matter. 1.5A plus 0.25B. Job done. End of the video. Thank you very much.